All right, so Gauteng Finance MEC Lebogang Maile will this morning give an update on the progress of the registering of Spaza shops across the province. This is part of an ongoing effort to ensure compliance with health and safety regulations following President Cyril Ramaphosa's directive to address foodborne illnesses across the country's communities. SABC News reporter Hasina Gori is tracking developments and joins us now live from Bramley. And Hasina, this is expected given the ministerial update we got yesterday.
Yes, Ayanda, as we spoke yesterday, we heard from the government ministerial team, from the Gauteng minister, saying that extension was granted to allow for those Spaza shops to now register their businesses until the 28th of February 2025. Today we're here with the Gauteng Finance Economic Development Minister, MEC Lebogang Maile. He's expected to brief us. We spoke with him last week during an update where he explained that from the 15,000 beliefs Spaza shops in the province, at least 13,000 had been reached, that they had been met with, they'd been given application forms. However, it was still unclear on the number of those that had actually handed in and began the process of the application. Today we'll get a better sense from them on what some of the challenges were. We've been speaking with Spaza shop owners, some of the association and forums, many saying that the challenges they faced was with getting the documentations that were needed. There was quite an arduous process of getting things such as the title deeds, the lease agreements, the layout plans, but also for those that were handling food specifically, there were certain certifications that were needed, and these all were quite a tedious process, and many of them saying they were unable to get all of that in time. Many saying they'd come multiple times. At one of the centers that we visited yesterday in Soweto, they were actually called back even beyond the date of the deadline, saying to come through on a Wednesday morning before even the official extension was granted to allow them to finish the process. We've heard a lot of people being very positive about the extension. This was called for by many of the organizations that were speaking out, asking for more time for this process to be done in a way that was fair to all those involved in the process. So today we're hoping to hear from the MEC to find out what are the plans going forward, the inspections that need to be taken place for those that do register and apply, what happens now. We know that for last week 541 Spaza shops had been closed already for non-compliance. We'd find out if there were more that had been closed since then, and what happens to those Spaza shops that are closed. When can they be reopened if they are able to? What are the processes from here, but also to ensure that the foodborne illness crisis that highlighted these issues, how is the MEC's department ensuring that we do not see a similar outbreak in the coming months? So Ayanda, lots of information that we're hoping to get from the MEC when he does brief us in a short while. But for now, back to you in studio.
Gori, thanks very much indeed. We really do look forward to that update. Hasina Gori, live to us there from Bramley in Johannesburg.